Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use 900 series puncher, updated. First, check die alignment and clear any jams before powering on the unit. Inspect the workpiece and measure margins to avoid misfeeds. Set the correct die and backstop, then test on scrap material. Keep the workspace clean and use slow, steady cycles for thick stock. I will walk through common setups, troubleshooting tips, and maintenance steps so you feel confident using the puncher safely and efficiently. In this video, I will show how to use 900 series puncher, updated. Begin by confirming the machine is on a level surface and free of debris. Align the backstop and set measured margins so every hole matches your template. Install the chosen die and hand-tighten screws, then run a test punch on scrap to verify hole placement. Adjust as needed, document settings for repeat jobs, and keep a log of die wear to maintain consistent quality during runs. In this video, I will show how to use 900 series puncher, updated. When you encounter issues, stop and isolate the cause before forcing the machine. Check die sharpness and alignment if holes tear or form unevenly. Clear paper dust and lubricate moving parts to prevent sticking. For recurring jams, verify material thickness and feed method, and reduce batch size if necessary. I will explain simple fixes you can do at the bench and when to call service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.